Welcome again to Apna Garuda channel. So this video is regarding your preparation strategy for DFCCL executive and non-junior executive operation and BD post. Okay. So in this video we will discuss everything regarding these two posts and how I will tell you how you can maximize your chances. Okay, because this is good opportunity actually. I will tell you in our discussion also. And few doubts are there that what books you can refer or should I apply for two posts or not. Okay, so I will tell you yes, you should apply. Why? I will tell you. Okay, and the form last date is 23rd of May. So those who didn't fill the form, okay, compulsory fill the form. 450 plus vacancies are there. So very good opportunity to secure a government job with railways again. Okay, in 2021. So let's start with our discussion. So first about form, as I already mentioned, yes, you have to fill both the form, okay, because you can maximize your chances of selection. We will see now that why, but yes, you should prepare, okay, because single syllabus is there for two posts. Okay, there is no difference at all, so just fill both the forms, because very rare opportunity you will get in the year, okay, where the same syllabus and two posts you can apply. So maximum, this will be help you to maximize your chances. Okay, maximize your chances. So it's all about your probability. So probability will be, get higher of your selection. That's why just fill both the form. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now let's discuss the syllabus of both the posts, that is junior executive and your executive. Okay. So see, this is for junior executive, this for executive. For both of the posts, any graduate can apply. Okay, there is no difference. Just for junior executive, the difference is this, that 60 questions are defined. Okay, there are two parts which are already defined. That is in part 1 we have GK, numerical ability, reasoning and general science. Okay, and in part 2 we have history of Indian Railways, DFCCL, economics and marketing, logic and reasoning again, and customer relations. So this is the difference. Okay, whereas in executive there are mixed questions. There is no fixed number of questions for each section. Okay, randomly you will get the question. There is probability that you will get higher questions from general knowledge, lower questions from logic reasoning. Okay, anything they can give. But in junior executive, the pattern is fixed. Okay, so it's all about pattern. First thing. Second, you know your exam date, your tentative exam date is June month. Okay, so let me change the color. Okay, so June month is our exam date. Okay, so just April of 4 days, suppose April 4 days plus May 31 days, and your June 15 days, suppose, because I am expecting your exam in June 3rd week. Yes, okay, June 3rd week. So we have to be very quick in our completion also and in your practice also. That is main your test series. Okay, which is very crucial for your exam. So in that we have to manage all the things, and total we are getting approximately 50 days only. Okay, so in this 50 days we have to complete all the things. Yes, it is challenging but not impossible. Okay, not impossible. So just think now. Okay, and your exam pattern you know already, that 120 questions are there. 2 hours you will get 1 mark for correct question and 0.25 negative marking. Okay, so this is your basic pattern of exam. Now let's discuss the detail about your syllabus. So first we will discuss about general knowledge and science. General science. Okay, so in general knowledge and general science, your total syllabus is this. Obviously very vast syllabus, that history, geography, polity, economics, physics, chemistry, bio, current affairs and static GK. Okay, static GK is also there with you. Now this thing, okay, how you can complete this thing, I will tell you with smart approach. Okay, with smart approach. So just pay attention here. Okay, those who want to complete all these things, just you can read Lucid book. Okay, in that all things are there and you can read, but definitely it will time consuming. Okay, now those who don't want to read the book and want to do it little faster, okay, little faster, what they can do, from our website, last 12-month current affair you have to read. Yes, last 12 month. Okay, last 12 month means June to June. Your paper is in June, so June to June means I can say, or July, you can start with July also, there is no issue. So July 2020 to June till I can say 10th June. Let's see what is the exam. Current expected exam is 15 June. Okay, we assume 15 June. So 10 June 2021. Okay, so last 12 months you have to strictly read from website. Then Yes, there is a crash course for you for DFCCL exam. Okay, so all the things regarding this crash course, okay, I will tell you later. The separate video will there about timetable and everything. Okay, so just uh, have some patience. I will definitely tell you about this. But the problem is that the crash course I can take in only one language. Okay, either Hindi or English. So if there is proper strength for English language also, because for Hindi, yes, obviously it is there. Okay, but for English also it is there. Then I will try to manage, not guarantee, but I will definitely try my best. Okay. So just what you have to do in our Telegram group, this Telegram group. Okay, this is our Telegram group for DFCCL. In the description also I will put the link. Just go there, and I will just now I will connect one poll there. Okay, in that you have to select English. So based on poll, I will decide whether to start with English also or not. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, then Qbox is there. This how you will get this. Okay, in website also we have for 299 rupees. But I will attach this with your test pack. Okay, I will prepare very best test pack for you. So don't worry about that. So this you will get with along with your test series package. Okay, or I will call test pack. And daily MCQ PDF. This is very crucial for you on our Telegram, that is Apna Government Job. Again, the link is in the description. Okay, daily PDFs are there of general knowledge and science MCQ practice. So you have to just solve daily 20 questions from that. Okay, daily 20 questions from that you have to solve. So this is your overall smart strategy to just do GK and science very fast, and obviously crash course will be there. Okay, so like this you have to follow. And for exam level practice, that actual exam level question pattern, just our test series will be there. Okay, in the next week I will announce about the test series detail, all the details regarding test series. Okay, how many tests are there, what are the things, how you have to utilize all the things which I am giving in test package. Okay, all the things I will mention in next week. So this is your general knowledge and science section. The next section is your numerical ability, very crucial section I can say. So in that we have percentage, ratio, average. These are the chapter list. Profit loss, simple interest, compound interest. Okay. Time, work, time and distance. Number systems you have to do. Permutation, combination also you have to do. Basic mensuration 2D, 3D also you have to do. Pipe system, DI, data interpretation also you have to do. Simplification and trigonometry also you have to do. Okay. So these are the things you have to complete. And for that you can refer RS Agrawal, again very best book. From that you can get all the things. Okay. Lots of questions are there. So definitely you can make it. Okay, then crash course, again whatever the things are there in crash course, this thing you have to follow compulsory. Okay, this thing, because this is very crucial, because by considering 2018 and 2021 pattern, I will design this crash course and I will give you. Okay, because 2021 pattern is very important. Now 2018 gone. Okay, 3 years already gone, but 2021 pattern, what will be the pattern? This is very interesting. And accordingly test series, our test pack series also and our crash course also will be designed. Okay, so just no need to worry, just prepare yourself to work very hard. That is very important. Then Qbox is also there. In Qbox all the things are there. Daily MCQ PDF, daily 10 questions you are getting for quant section. Practice from that properly. Okay, definitely you can make good practice. And exam level practice, exam level pattern, test series will be there. Okay, again the next section is your reasoning part. So in reasoning, three types are there. Logical reasoning, okay, which is for junior executive. This is in part 2. They specifically mention. So in part 1 you can accept analytical and non-verbal reasoning. Okay, so these two you can expect. So for this also lots of all the things, all the chapters in this mentioned in RS Agrawal. Okay, just follow that. RS Agrawal verbal and non-verbal. Okay, RS Agrawal verbal and non-verbal reasoning you have to follow. Again crash course there, Qbox there, daily MCQ practice. Daily 10 questions are there. Compulsory practice of reasoning section also. Okay, very good question. I am giving here specifically of non-verbal reasoning and logical reasoning. Okay, and exam level practice pattern, latest pattern, test series will be there for practice and for final preparation. Okay, the next will be your the important thing, that is your history of Indian Railways and DFCCL, economics and marketing, and customer relations. Okay, now see, just observe carefully that this section. Okay, in this they want knowledge about railways and everything. Okay, knowledge about railways and everything. Then you should know economics and marketing. Why? Because BD post is there, operations and BD. Okay, BD means your business development. So business related things also you can do, and how to maintain customer relation. Okay, what are the things are in sales, what are the things in marketing. Now they can ask you digital marketing questions. So lots of key points are there. Okay, terms are there in digital marketing. All those things are there. Okay, lots of things are there, and this is the crucial section for you guys. Okay, because here and GK and science section, these two sections will decide whether you will become executive or not, or junior executive or not. Okay, so that's why it is very important. Now there is no specific books here because this is the syllabus of your MBA, so you need to refer some MBA books. Okay, and this you can get from internet also. Okay, but don't need to worry, no need to worry, because all the things I am covering in crash course only. Okay, so no need to worry, in crash course all the things in detail, in depth. Okay, in depth we will cover by considering 2021 exam pattern. Okay, where it is moderate and hard or easy. I think not easy, but still. Okay, and in test series also the questions will be there from these sections. So from that you have to practice. Okay, I will try that in your actual exam the same questions will get reflected. Okay, I will try from my side. Okay, now from your side what I want, very important, from your side what I want. So this is all about your syllabus. Okay, so 50 days focus should be there, only 50 days in our hand, very quick recruitment. Okay, so you should focus for DFCCIL only, no other recruitment, no SSC, no other thing, because if you get diverted, then if obviously you cannot make two, SSC also and DFCCIL also. Okay, so first choose one. DFCCIL means DFCCIL, no other SSC MTS, no other SSC JL. Okay, second point, daily efforts, daily MCQ PDF practice, daily video following, daily current affair reading from website, daily Qbox practice. Okay, whenever I am telling test series announced, test 1 is announced, test 2 is announced, then giving that, analyzing that, all the things you have to do, because see, this crash course, okay, and also test pack along with mentorship program will be 30%. Okay, your effort, this is 40% I can say, because mentorship program is there. So 60%. Okay, 60%. So that's why it is very important to just daily making notes also of our classes. Okay, daily making notes also of each and everything that you are getting. So these are the daily efforts you need to take if you want in merit. Okay, if you are preparing for 50-60 marks, then don't apply at all, because you will waste your 1600 rupees. If you are preparing for merit to become number 1 or top 100 among top 100 candidate, then only you can make it. Otherwise it is very difficult, because vacancies are high. Okay, also competition will be 10 times, or I don't know, 20 times, 30 times. Okay, so that's why it's better to just target this and put effort according to this only. Okay, the next point, we are already, I told you how you can smartly do the work. Okay, whenever there is no unnecessary to put time. See, it's all about time basically, because each and every candidate, okay, for next 50 days will get same time, that is 24 hours. How you utilize, how smartly you utilize this 24 hours is very important, because your selection is not based on just video watching and all this. Okay, it's based on self improvement. Is based on self improvement. Your selection is based on this, not just YouTube video watching and all these things. Okay, so that's why this part of your daily routine should be, daily time should be 40%, and rest 60% part will be with spending time with yourself, with your concept. Okay, improving your concept. So this is very important. Okay, and yes, get ready to work very hard for next 50 days. Okay, very hard you have to work for next 50 days. Don't I am with you, so no need to worry. Okay, just one dream, that all the 450 plus vacancies should be from our channel only, that is Apna Government Job channel only. Okay, this is the one dream. Let's see whether I will get such student or not. And the last, in same syllabus, 2 chances, very good, rare opportunity. Okay, in the same syllabus you will get 2 chances to secure a government job. I don't think you will get this now in the upcoming months of this remaining year. Okay, so that's why just make your efforts very hard. Just stay away from all the distraction of social media. Just our Telegram group, our website, our YouTube channel. That's it. Okay, and once our test pack is announced, then our application. That's it. Okay, that's it. So all the things I will tell you timely now about crash course, about test pack. So just stay connected to our this group also, and Apna Government Job Telegram group also. Okay, and if you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you are free to comment. I will definitely address that soon as possible. And If you think anything missed or anything need to cover, then definitely comment down below. I will definitely make one video for you. Okay. All the best.